Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Zumba membership. Okay, so the best thing I want to tell you, like there is only one best method to cancel your membership, that is like via calling. So there is no other methods. You can say, like, if you are not a technical person, if you're not a techie guy, then you need to follow this, you can say, like option, because this is the only and best and easiest option to cancel your membership. So first of all, you need to visit on any browser and you need to type like how to contact Zumba. Okay, so first you get this one result. You need to visit on this page. This is the official website of Zumba, and you need to just simply click on, you can like scroll down, and you will see there is an option like contact by phone. When you click on this option, in the bottom side, you will see there are lots of phone numbers available. You can contact their customer support team very easily. Okay, and you can tell them, and you can tell that you wish to cancel your membership, and they will cancel your membership, or they will guide you if you have any issues. Okay, so this is the only easiest and the best method. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment, and this link I will also provide you in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.